If last semester felt messy, like you were constantly behind, forgetting assignments, or surviving each week, then this new year is your reset. Not the dramatic new year, new me reset, but more like, let's try one thing that will make my life easier type of reset. Today, I'm going to show you 3 things that every student can do to start their semester stronger, starting with shifting your fixed belief into a growth mindset, resetting your after-school routine, and trying one new system for at least a month. I'll show you these one by one, step by step, with the goal of making this your real reset. Hey there, my name is Prash. I'm the founder of Executive Function Tutors. We coach 4th grade to college grade level students who feel stuck, disorganized, and overwhelmed when it comes to schoolwork, and we support them in finally having systems that work best for their brains. January is actually my favorite time to work with students because this is when they actually have a clean slate. Let's jump right in. What is a growth mindset? A growth mindset is the belief that your brain can get better with practice, strategy, and effort. Here's what a growth mindset sounds like when you get a C on a quiz. This was a hard quiz, but I'm going to ask my teacher next time how I can do better. I barely had any sleep the night before, so I'm going to get better sleep next time. The opposite of a growth mindset is a fixed mindset. This is the belief that your brain cannot improve from an obstacle. Here's what a fixed mindset sounds like. I'm never going to get a B on a quiz. I'm just so bad at this. My teacher sucks and it's all their fault that I got a C on this quiz. Research from Carol Dweck, who is known for the growth mindset idea, shares that if you believe and you work towards improving on this challenging task, then your brain forms stronger neural pathways. This means that with time, organizing, planning, and starting tasks feel and become easier. This literally means that your brain rewires with repetition. If you want help figuring out systems that actually work for your brain, then you can schedule a free 60-minute session with us. The link is in the description. After our free session, we will create a personalized game plan that shows your strengths, growth opportunities, and next steps. Now, let's go ahead and create that after-school reset routine. Step 1, check in with your energy. This can take 30 seconds, and all you gotta do is ask yourself, am I feeling drained? Am I feeling meh? Or am I feeling good? If you're feeling drained, then start with easy tasks like making snacks for yourself or a drink that would make you feel happy as you're doing homework time. If you're feeling meh, then start with organization. This can be grabbing your backpack, getting your notebook, your pen, your pencil, and laying it all out on your desk or wherever you're studying so that when you're ready to start, it's all out there for you. If you're feeling good, then do one of your homework. If you're not sure, open up your learning portal like Google Classroom, Canva, whatever it is, and start one of the assignments that you know you should do. Step 2, cap your doom scrolling. Set a timer. Like literally, seriously, set a timer. Sometimes when your brain is having a hard time starting a challenging task, it might need a little bit of a reward. And if you think doom scrolling is that nice reward, you seriously gotta set a timer. That can be for 5 or 10 minutes, because if you don't set a timer, what will most likely happen is you'll doom scroll for a 2-hour TikTok marathon and nothing gets done, and all of a sudden it's 11 p.m. So seriously, set a timer, cap your doom scrolling. Step 3, check out your schoolwork. This step literally changes everything. By doing this, you are giving yourself a guide on how to structure your homework time. By this step, hopefully you are feeling at least okay to start your homework time. You have a study desk with your stuff laid out, and you are committing to limiting your doom scrolling. And once you have that, the next step to do is to just open up your assignment portal. And what you want to do is 1, check out what's due today. 2, check out what's due this week. 3, see if there's any grade impacting tasks that really need to be prioritized today. And 4, see if you got any missing assignments. By doing this, you are giving yourself an idea of how to prioritize and structure your homework time so you're actually more efficient. Step 4, make a tiny plan. Based on what you just saw, make a quick list. this can be writing down, do math worksheet, read a chapter of my English book, start that outline for my bio lab. Or if you have a lot of assignments and studying to do, then what you can do is to brain dump all of these ideas, time it for 2 minutes, and after you've created that longer list for 2 minutes, then you circle the 2 to 3 assignments or tasks that will take you the longest and are worth the most. Step 5, start with a 10-minute timer. By this step, you already have a plan, you know what to prioritize, and the missing step is to just start. So to give your brain that gentle cue to get started, what you're gonna do is go to your phone, go to your clock app, go to timer, scroll up, make it 10 minutes, and by doing this, you now have a 10-minute timer to just help you with getting started. Your focus then is to just do whatever your assignments, just doing that for 10 minutes, and after the 10-minute timer goes off, then if you're feeling good, keep going. But if you are kind of needing a break, then make sure you set another timer. This time, 1 to 2 minutes just for doom scrolling, so your brain gets another cue that you need to transition and do something else. By doing this over and over again, you'll be surprised by how many assignments, how much time you're able to focus, and how much you're just able to get done because you're giving your brain that structure to keep going, to take breaks, to keep going, to take breaks again. Try a system for 30 days. Your planning, organization, and time management skills improve with time. And by doing a system for 30 days, then you're giving your brain enough time to make that automatic. You don't need 5 different planners, 3 different tracking apps, or a bunch of post-its all over your wall. All you need to try is one system for 30 days, and that's how you build habits. Here are 3 different systems you can try right after this video. Option 1, energy check-in. Right before you do your assignments, you can ask yourself, from a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best I've ever felt, and 1 as I am so drained, you can give yourself a score. And if you're feeling 4 and below, then you do something that will bring up your energy and bring you joy. The goal here is to cap it for 30 minutes. And this activity, you really should be able to end it in 30 minutes. This could be going for a quick walk, talking to a friend, family member, watching a quick show, should end within 30 minutes, and playing a quick video game. But again, you gotta be able to commit to being able to be done within 30 minutes. If you're feeling 5 and above, then you go and you open up your assignment portal and you start one of your assignments. By doing this energy check-in, you're giving yourself the chance to have the right energy to tackle these assignments versus forcing your way into it, and perhaps even preventing burnout in the process. Option 2, weekly preview. Every Sunday when you finish your dinner, you're going to your assignment portal and you're going to check what assignments, tests, projects, and quizzes you have for the next 3 days, and you're going to write them down. You can write them down in your planner, your notes app, a Google Doc. You're going to write them down so that as you're doing this, your brain is starting to prepare for what your week looks like, and you're starting to identify which days might feel difficult, which days may feel a lot, and you're really just preparing your brain rather than going into your week blindly and feeling reactive on what that academic stress may look like. Option 3, brain dump on big assignments. What this means is every time you get a big assignment like an essay, a quiz, a presentation, then you're going to open up a Google Doc or your notebook and you're going to write all the steps needed to do your best work in that big assignment. The goal of this exercise is to get as specific and as micro as possible in all those steps needed so your brain doesn't think it's that big of a deal. Some examples of those micro steps are 1, read the instructions, 2, read the rubric, write down a introductory outline, write down a body paragraph outline, write a conclusion outline, and the list goes on. And again, by doing this system, you are making this perceivable big assignment feel less and less big and more small so that your brain can tackle it more and increase your chances of actually starting, working on it, making progress, and submitting that big assignment. If you want support to turn your fixed beliefs into a growth mindset, to create and maintain an after-school reset routine, and try one of the systems we've shared in the next 30 days, then give our free 60-minute executive function session a try. Again, it's completely free, and our goal is to show you what our model looks like and give you clarity on how we can support and coach you towards the goals and next steps that you have. And after that session, you'll also get a game plan that outlines the strengths, growth opportunities, and next steps that we think we can really work with you on. Link again is in the description, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you're enjoying this reset that you're experiencing in this new year, and see you in the next one. Peace.